Now, let me carefully explain how to create AI subtitles in CapCut on your phone. First, you'll want to open the app and start adding your video. First, you open your CapCut app, then you carefully tap on Add Video. And now we can add a video, for example, like this. Now, as you can see here, you will need to tap on the text option for auto subtitles. Here, you can easily customize your subtitles for your video project. Now, as you can see here, select the generation format, for example. Choose the video format and then add your video here. Now, as you can see here, you will need to select the language for your subtitles. For example, let's choose English. Now, as you can see here, let's select the subtitle font and then click on Generate for Subtitles. The subtitle generation is underway, but that's not all. Now let's move forward and explore the next steps together. Now let's click Skip, since everything is clear. But you can also click on. Now, as you can see here, let's check and modify your subtitles. What we will do next is explore the editing options together. Now let's click on the text option, and here we can add the AI voice for our project. As you see, choose any AI subtitles you like best. For instance, something like this. As you can see here, it's really easy. If you like this one, just click on it, and you can even adjust the speed to 0.8 for a smoother experience. Because they sound cooler and more realistic, just click to explore them further, please. Just check the box, and that's it. Now, enjoy your AI subtitles as you watch. Thank you all for watching, everyone. Good luck to everyone, and goodbye for now.